Adventure riding is way more physical than people think. So that's why I'm going to start stepping up my fitness levels. And this is going to improve both my health and my riding. So it's a win-win, to be honest. So you could be out on your adventure bike from an hour to 10 hours a day. And that's why I believe you need to improve both your cardio and your muscular endurance. So how am I going to do that? How am I going to test that? So first I'm going to run a 5k, and that's going to be my base test. For the next 4 weeks, I'll be doing 3 cardio sessions and 2 gym sessions to see if I improve. So follow along for a week in the life and stay tuned to the end of the video to find out my 5k time. So why cardio, and how does it help motorbike adventure riding? Well, cardio improves your aerobic capacity, and improving your aerobic capacity will improve how long you can endure that physical activity. So the more cardiovascular fit you are, the longer you can ride, in theory. There's no denying it, these adventure bikes are heavy, 200 plus kilos, so you want to be fit enough and strong enough to be able to pick them up multiple times a day when you drop them, crash them, and so on and so on. Even just manhandling the bikes going down the trails is tiring, it takes out of you. So the stronger you can be and the fitter you are, it's all going to help. Just hit the turnaround point, 2.5 miles, averaging 9 minute mile. So I should finish on about 45 minutes. Got out late because I went shopping with the family, so they didn't get out till 7:15. But we're getting it done.
Add a little sugar, they say, be a little sweeter, they say. Gotta give and take, but I say this time is my way, my way. Be a little proper, they say. Speak a little softer, they say. Gotta be a late day, but I say this time is my way, my way. This time is my way, my way. This time is my way, my way. I'll do me, you do you. I don't need nobody's permission. Won't back down.
First mile, 7:05. Actually dying. Mile 2, still on for just under 23 minutes. So that's the 5k test done. 22 minutes 57. Average mile of 7:23. I just went out way too fast like a novice on the first mile at 7:05 and then blew up on the second and third mile. But first one done, we'll try again in 4 weeks.